Hi, I'm Michael LaFosse from the Origamido studio, and here is a simple maple seed from a strip. The ratio is about 1 to 3, and you're going to fold 1/3 of the strip across the front. Fold the free edge of the short flap back to the folded edge. Flip the paper over to the other side and take the top layer rectangle, fold it in half diagonally. Unfold. Rotate the paper so that you're involving the square corner of the rectangle that has multiple layers but no crease through it, and take its long edge to the crease. Notice this free corner. We're going to catch the top edge flap under there, and then we're going to reflatten the paper. Take the remnant corner, fold it tightly over the top, and tuck it in to the pocket. Flip the paper over, and here we have it, a simple maple seed from a strip of paper. Toss it high in the air and watch it helicopter down.